How to fix YouTube 503 error on iPhone. Seeing a 503 error when trying to watch YouTube on your iPhone? This usually means YouTube servers can't respond. But don't worry, this fix is usually on your end. Let's walk through it. First, make sure YouTube itself isn't experiencing the issues. If YouTube servers are fine, the issue could be on your network. Try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa. A poor or unstable network can trigger server-related issues. iPhones don't have a direct clear cache option, but you can offload the YouTube app. This removes temporary data while keeping your login info. Once done, reinstall it from the App Store. A quick restart can reset background services and network connections, which may solve the 503 error. If the error still shows up, consider resetting the network settings. This will delete saved Wi-Fi passwords but can fix deep connection conflicts. For that, go to Settings and in the search bar, search for Network Reset. Network Reset Settings. Click on Reset and just tap on Reset Network Settings. And there you go. One of these steps should clear the 503 error and get you back to watching videos on YouTube without any hiccups. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.